An arrogant sales exec smirks. "I've been in this business 20 years. I'm the top biller here." You don't need to shout. You drop one line and watch his ego collapse. Here are 5 Stoic phrases that silence arrogance without raising your voice. Power line 1. If you were really right, you wouldn't need to prove it. Arrogant men get loud when logic is weak. They argue to dominate, not to solve. Use it in meetings when someone lectures like they're the oracle. Impact. The louder they push, the weaker they look. Truth is calm. Ego is noise. Power line 2. You can think that, just don't expect me to care. They want your reaction. You give them indifference. It's emotional jujitsu. Use it when someone mocks you or throws labels your way. Impact. You cut the hook. They've got nothing left to pull. Inner command. I don't owe a reaction to every opinion. Power line 3. Interesting. I'll let your actions do the talking. They brag. They exaggerate. You don't debate. You just let reality judge. Use it with loud promises, fake bravado. Impact. Suddenly, silence is the stage, and they're trapped in their own hype. Stoic reminder. Talk fades. Proof remains. Power line 4. Your opinion doesn't rent space in my head. Arrogant people assume access to your mind. This phrase evicts them, politely but surgically. Use it when unsolicited advice or ego dumps hit your ears. Impact. Door closed. No argument, just clarity. Boundaries don't need volume, just clarity. Final strike 5. You've mistaken my calm for weakness. That's your first mistake. They think your silence means submission. But calm is loaded. Calm is control. Use it when someone tries to dominate with volume or sarcasm. Impact. Not a threat, just truth. And they feel it instantly. Remember Marcus Aurelius' words, "Waste no time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Arrogance shouts. Stoics slice with one sentence. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. Which phrase will you drop this week? Comment, "Silence is my weapon." And subscribe now. Every week, you sharpen your armor. Calm, clarity, and control. Be calm, be strong, be stoic.